Thank you. I'm extremely disappointed with what has occurred today. As Senator Lieberman has indicated, I am convinced that there are 60 or even 61 or 2 votes to repeal Don't Ask, Don't Tell, and under the carefully constructed language that is in the Defense Authorization Bill, and to proceed to the bill in general. This bill is important. It's important to our troops. It includes not only the Don't Ask, Don't Tell language, it includes a pay raise for our troops who are fighting on the front lines in Iraq and Afghanistan. It improves mental health services. It has many provisions that are important to my home state of Maine. And there is no reason why we could not have proceeded to consider that bill after completing action on the tax relief bill and using a process that would be fair to both sides. I'm extremely disappointed that the Senate Majority Leader walked away from negotiations in which we were engaged and which were going well. There was a clear path forward to complete action on this important bill, which contains this important law change and many others. And instead, the Majority Leader decided to prematurely hold a cloture vote that he knew would not succeed. I just don't understand that decision. I don't understand it given the importance of this bill and the policies in it, and given that it was clear to all of us that there were 60 votes for the bill if it were brought to the floor at the appropriate time and under a fair process.